Good morning, students. Today we are going to perform a new experiment, that is metacentric height. You must know what is the definition of metacentric. It is defined as a point about which a body starts oscillating when the body is tilted by an angle. Suppose this is our ship, body of a ship. Once it is given a small tilt, if it is given a small tilt to this ship, it will start oscillating about some axis, about some point. It will start oscillating at some point. Suppose this is tilted by some angle, and at that particular point, it will start oscillating from a particular point. That particular point is called metacenter. And metacentric height is the distance between metacenter and the center of gravity, G. The metacentric height is the distance between the metacenter M, capital M, and the center of gravity, G, called metacentric height. Center of gravity is the point where the whole mass of an object is located. So the whole weight of this ship is located at G, and this body of the ship will start oscillating from a point M. So the distance between G and M is called metacentric height, and you have to calculate that. The particular formula for this calculation is GM is small w into x, capital W into tan theta. Now in this we have small w is applied weight. When you are to tilt this body, you have to apply some weight. So we are having two weights, 350 grams and 500 grams, including the hanger weight, that is 110 grams. We are having these weights. Out of these two weights, this one is 350 grams and this is 500 grams. The weight of this hanger is 110 grams. And coming back to this ship, the model of the ship, we are having this x distance from this origin. This is origin. This is x distance from this. The first strip will have a value of 2.5 centimeter, and next will have 5 centimeter, and next 7.5 centimeter, and next strip will have a distance from origin at 10 centimeter. That means the first strip will have a distance from origin 2.5 centimeter, next strip will have a distance of 5 centimeter, and next strip will have 7.5 centimeter, and last strip will have 10 centimeter. When you apply weight, the weight will be applied like this. When you apply a weight like this on this ship, and this will start tilting about its axis. As you apply weight to some other point, or say away from the origin, it will start oscillating about this point. Again, if you apply weight on that point, it will again start oscillating. So we are to apply both these weights, 350 grams and 500 grams weight, and you have to calculate the metacentric height, or GM. So capital W, the weight of this whole ship, capital W is the total weight of the model. Total weight is the weight including this whole ship and the weight of these strips also. So there are two strips in between these. The small strip is having a weight of 1.25 kg, and a big strip is having a weight of 2.6 kg. So total weight of this our setup is about 9 kg. So you must note down this observation table. You are having small w. Small w is the weight of these small weights, and capital W is the weight of our ship, and x is the distance from its origin. X is distance from its origin, 2.5, 5 centimeter, 7.5 and 10 centimeter. And theta is when you apply a weight, this will get tilted to some point. And suppose it tilts to this is 10 degree value. If it's tilted to this, it is 20 degree value and 30 degree, and so on. If you apply weight, it will get tilted and it will give you a reading on this scale: 10 degree, 20 degree, 30 degree and 40 degree. So theta will be the value of this. And GM is the metacentric height that you have to calculate with the formula W small wx into over capital W into tan theta. So now I am going to this main our model or main apparatus. Then I will tell you how to perform this experiment. Now we have placed this model in our this apparatus, or you can say this container. Now this is now first you have to balance this chip so that it comes to zero value. Once it comes to zero value, then you have to apply weights on your first strip. Suppose I have applied weight over here, so it will get tilted to small amount. You can see a small deflection is there. You have to note that value for 350 grams. We are using 350 grams weight, and the value is about 1 degree. And if you apply same weight to 5 centimeter, 2.5 to 5 centimeter, so it will get tilted. Let it balance first. When it is at equilibrium, then you have to note the reading. You can see a small deflection is there. As you keep on adding weight, suppose I have added this weight to 7.5 centimeter, there will be a deflection. You can see a deflection of say 5 degree. 5 degree deflection is there. And similarly, if you add this weight to 10 centimeter to the other side, so the deflection you can see is 6 degrees, and so on. Similarly, you have to take 3 readings for this. You can take the reading on the other side also. Suppose I want to take a reading on other side like this. You can take reading on other side also. There is no negative positive in this. You can take reading on any of the side. Same scale is provided on the other side also. Same scale is provided on this side also. So you can apply weight on this side also. Here the distance between these strips is again the same. As I have told you earlier, first slot is at 2.5 centimeter, second slot is at 5 centimeter, third slot is at 7.5 centimeter, and last slot is at 10 centimeter. So again you have to add another weight, that is 500 grams. I am adding 500 grams weight, and again you have to take readings for that also. First I am adding weight at 2.5 centimeter. So it will give you reading about 1 degree. Then if you add weight at 5 centimeter, just you have to wait it for a minute so that it comes to some equilibrium condition. Our needle comes to stable position, then you have to note the reading. Again, I am shifting that weight to 7.5 centimeter distance. When where value of x is 7.5 centimeter, you will see there is a reading of say 6 degrees. And again you can change this slot to this 10 centimeter. And again you can see the reading. It is up about 11 degrees. In between 10 and 11, you can call it 11 degrees. So this is all about metacentric height. This weight is this is x, and this small weight that I am applying on it, that is small w, and capital W is 11. The whole apparatus is weighing around 11 kg. So that you have to use, and you have to perform all these experiments. I am going to share you the manuals of this experiment along with readings also. I have taken readings and noted that. I will share you this readings also, and you have to write that on your practical files. So thank you very much.